just sorting these out this morning. This is an old machine, obviously, and then this one's screaming its head off, so probably the bearing or something like that, and going to be sent off for repair, so that's another thing out the way with. Keep saying I'm going to have to get my hair cut, so that's another thing on the list today. But besides that, I'll go and get set up now and I'll explain a few bits and pieces of what we're going to be talking about this morning. So I just thought I'd explain a couple of things here of what we do at Top Car Detailing. And it's quite important as well because of the amount of cars that we get to work on and to achieve the ultimate in paint correction. That's what I believe in. So we have all the correct lighting. So this particular light here, I've got it set up with a specific bulb, and so when we shine this across the paintwork, it shows up any hazing or marring marks and that type of thing. Then we have other pieces of equipment here, like the scan grip light, for instance. As I say, this particular light can just turn up and down for different levels of brightness and colour, and you can change that as well. Very important when you're working in a car detailing studio environment like we have here. And as you would have seen in a lot of the videos that I work on all the vehicles, I'm using the lights of this as well, because we want to be looking at ultimate perfection on the cars and paintwork once we're doing machine polishing and that type of thing. Then we also have this other light here. As I say, just have to go over it like that and it comes on and off, and you just basically can wear this on here, and then when you're doing machine polishing and you're looking at the paintwork, then the reflection of it in there shows exactly how you're removing all them defects. Then we've got a couple of other bits of equipment now. We've also got this camera, which is 4K. It's only a small camera, but is ideal for once we're going around the vehicle as well afterwards, especially with these scan grip lights here, and we're checking all the panels for any defects whatsoever. So in other words, what we're doing is making a digital picture assessment of every panel on every car before we ever get to put any coatings on whatsoever. Then I always believe in showing our work as well on our social media channels, and we have a couple of things here. So we've got the gimbal, magic, right, so I'll just bring this over here to you, as you can see, and we can just do this and move around. We can actually run with this camera as well, and it stays stable all the time. But this is brilliant because this is 4K as well, and what we can do, we can get right up close to all the panels on the vehicle and zoom in and see if there's any defects there. And we do this with all the cars as well, especially once we've done all the paint corrections, so we're making a digital video of everything. We've got this new gimbal as well here at the moment. This is for my new GoPro 8, a fantastic bit of kit too, so we'll be using this shortly as well. Now then, when we using the camera in the studio here, it's a great way of showing our work to you guys out there as well, and all the cars that we work on, so from start to finish. And I should imagine you've seen a lot of the cars on our YouTube channel and that type of thing, from coming in from a swirled up, scratched to death mess basically to an absolute perfect finish. And that's what I do here at Top Car Detailing. So if you'd like any further information on any of our car detailing services, don't hesitate, give us a call. and check out my social media channels as well. Also, we've been working on another video, the Focus RS, that's nearly finished as well now, and we've got some more videos of cars that have been detailing that's going to be going on the channel shortly as well. Also, if you like, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. And it's always about the finish here, turning cars into mirrors. Anyhow, I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.